Developments today in the case of a homeless man charged in a brutal parking garage attack in Mobile. News 5's Katerina Lukatich was in the courtroom as the judge did something that caught many people by surprise.
The case against Douglas Dunson will move forward, but not before some drama in the courtroom. Judge Sherling pulled out this large board with an excerpt from the Alabama Constitution written on it to defend his decision to grant bond to Dunson, saying everyone is entitled to a bond.
We believe, based on case law, that the defendant can forfeit his right to a bond based on the fact that he was on bond and he's deliberately breaking the conditions of bond over and over and over.
But ultimately, it's up to the judge, who set Dunson's bond at $40,000, something his attorney says a homeless Dunson is unlikely to make. Dunson also made an impression in court, saying he was guilty until his lawyer, and then the judge asked him to stop talking. This is not the first time Dunson has had an outburst in court, calling his mental competency into question.
But I think he's going to be evaluated in the future, and a professional will make that determination.
Disturbing details of the assault came out in court as well. Prosecutors say the victim was beaten with a 2x2 board in the head and nearly knocked unconscious before the attempted sexual assault. The victim saw a car and yelled for help. A man ran to her aid and chased the suspect out of the garage. Prosecutors saying they have video showing Dunson running from the tower with the board in his hands. Dunson's case will now be sent to the grand jury. In Mobile, Katerina Lukatich, WKRG News 5.